Hello! I got this absolutely gorgeous superwash on Black Friday special. It's got a little bit of peach and some pretty gray that leans purpley and a little bit of speckles. But I only have the one skein, so I'm thinking we do a little baby drooly bib. So I know I want a triangle shape. All right, and I want to do a knitted cast on because I want something sturdy that I don't have to go over again a second time. So the slip knot will count as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. And I know I want the outer edge to roll like a faux I-cord. So I'm gonna slip 1, purlwise, knit 1, yarn over because I said I wanted a triangle shape, and I'm going to increase the beginning and end of every row. Knit that center stitch, yarn over, and then it's going to be slip 1, knit 1. So we started with 5, and this now gives us 2, 4, 6, 7. And then turn, and so at the beginning of every row, it will be slip 1, and then knit 1. Okay. This is going to be our increase stitch right here, but I don't want it to make an eyelet hole in the pattern. I'm not planning a lace. And so I'm going to knit it through the back loops. And what that will do is twist my stitch so it acts like a make one. And then I'm going to knit the center one, knit this one through the back loop. And then it will be slip 1, knit 1, turn. We're back on the right side of the fabric. I should still have 7 stitches, 2, 4, 6, 7. So to repeat, it's going to be slip 1, purlwise with yarn in front, knit 1, and now I'm going to yarn over, knit whatever happens to be in the center, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, and then it's going to be slip 1, knit 1, and turn. Okay, that is the entire thing, and I'm gonna repeat this until I get it as wide as I want and or the pattern starts to develop, and we shall see how this yarn works out on this little garter stitch.